How to add a device in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. To add a device, direct your attention to the Devices section for further instructions. Within the Devices section, locate and select tracking devices to proceed. Look for the Add Devices button positioned in the upper right corner, and click on it. Enter the desired device name as per your preference. Select the appropriate device type, such as Wired Asset Tracker, from the provided options. Enter the IMEI ID, which is mentioned on the device, ensuring accurate input. Choose the specific truck or trailer to which this newly added device will be assigned. Add notes if required. After completing all the required fields, click on the Confirm button. Once the device is successfully added, a message confirming the addition will be displayed at the top of the page. Yay! We have successfully added a device to the account. Now, we need to physically install the device in the asset.